how to buy DVD token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 800% in less than 4 hours. This token trending number 4 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your phone to manage that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it. Now click I understand. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive, as you can see here. Now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back and click in on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy DVD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.